Welcome to my GameDev journey. Today, we're kicking off with Lua scripting, the lightweight and powerful programming language that's perfect for beginners. Whether you're looking to get into game development or just exploring coding, Lua is a great place to start. Let's dive in. Lua is a lightweight, fast, and embeddable scripting language. It's used in game engines like Solar2D, Roblox, and even in popular games like World of Warcraft and Angry Birds. Lua is designed to be simple yet powerful, with an easy-to-learn syntax that's great for beginners. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Lua is incredibly versatile and can handle complex tasks in game development, web servers, and more. Now that we know what Lua is, let's set up our environment. I'll show you how to install Lua on a Debian-based Linux system. Don't worry, it's simple and beginner-friendly. Now let's install Lua 5.4. Use the following command. This installs Lua 5.4, one of the most stable versions. Check if Lua is installed by type Lua v. You should see the Lua version displayed. Start Lua in the terminal by type Lua. You'll enter an interactive Lua prompt where you can test code directly. And that's it. Lua is now ready to use on your Linux system. For a more professional and feature-rich coding experience, let's set up Lua in Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it already, download and install Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. Use the following command to install Visual Studio Code on Debian. Open Visual Studio Code and go to the extensions view by clicking the square icon on the left sidebar or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. Search for Lua and install the extension by some nico.lua. After installing the extension, create a new Lua file, example.lua, to activate the extension. The extension may prompt you to set up the Lua runtime. Follow the instructions to configure it for your system. Run the script by opening the terminal in Visual Studio Code and type Lua, example.lua. And just like that, you've set up Lua in Visual Studio Code. This IDE will make it easier to write, debug, and organize your code. Thanks for joining me in this introduction to Lua. Now you're all set up to start coding and exploring Lua's possibilities. In the next video, we'll dive into Lua's syntax and learn about variables and data types. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.